Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to understand the concept behind method hiding. Method hiding is nothing but the derived class method implementation hides the implementation of base class. With inheritance, when we have the same method being implemented in base and derived class, the derived class implementation always hides the base class implementation. If it's not clear, let's see this with an example. For that, let me take the example that we have created in the previous video for runtime polymorphism. So in order to mark a method as to be part of overridden method, first we need to mark it as virtual, and in the derived class we should mark it as override. So that is the concept behind runtime polymorphism. Now if I remove this virtual keyword from the base implementation and override from the derived implementation, you are already getting a warning that the get salary of contractual employee hides the inherited member base employee class get salary method. So if you are trying to intentionally implement this implementation of the base class, then mark this method as new so that you don't get that compiler warning because you are doing it intentionally. So that is what method hiding is. So now if I run it, let's see which method of get salary it goes. You see, now it goes to the get salary method of the base class because the reference is employee E. Now it's not considering the runtime polymorphism concept. Rather, it goes inside the get salary of the base method. So if we change it to employee E equal to new employee, then also it will go to the base class implementation of get salary. Let's say employee E1. And I'll say E1 dot get salaries. This is quite obvious that this will go inside get salary method of base class implementation. Now let me change this to contractual employee. And let me again change it to E dot get salary. You see, now we are going to the implementation of the derived class get salary method because this contractual employee class hides the implementation of the base class get salary. So that is what the concept of method hiding is. I think you understood the concept of method hiding in this video learning. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.